Did you know that hiccups aren't just a human quirk? They can actually happen to all mammals. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts, causing a quick intake of breath and a closure of your vocal cords. This creates that distinctive hike sound we all know. Interestingly, scientists believe hiccups might be remnants from our evolutionary past, specifically from our aquatic ancestors who used them to help gulp air while swimming. So next time you're at dinner and someone lets out a loud hiccup, just remember, they could be channeling their inner fish. Isn't it amazing how something so common has such an unusual history?